Hey guys, thank God it's Friday. I'm glad it's Friday. You know why? Because today is the day God has made. We're going to rejoice and be glad in it. I'm going back to verse 14. Remember, we're in 1 Peter chapter 1, and I'm at verse 14. Part of it says, don't slip back into your old ways of living to satisfy your own desires. You didn't know any better then. Don't slip back. Don't go back and do the things you know that displeases God, harms yourself. Don't slip back into the old pattern of behavior that accompanied a life that was void of pleasing God, void of pursuing, void of imitating who Christ is. Come on, we've done better. We can do better. The intention of God is that we become just like Jesus. You can't slip back. That kind of change is called negative change. That's not the change we want. We want the positive change, the change that brings us into a life that reflects who Jesus Christ is. I can't try to live in two worlds. I've got to choose which one I live in. Either I'm going to live in the world where Christ is Lord, or I'm going to live in the world where my desires control my every behavior, thought. I've got to choose. I hope this morning that you can choose Jesus Christ. Hey, just so you know, if we've been a blessing to you, why not subscribe? And if not, why not visit us? We're at 119 to 121 Kangali Street in Valencia. Come on, come join us this Sunday. We'd love to have you visit with us. God bless you.